Good afternoon. Hello. This is DP Srinivas along with Sai Sri Lakshmi from ISS Technology. We welcome you all for the Digital Material Gate Pass system. First of all, we would like to thank Microsoft for giving us this opportunity in participating this event and also supporting in building this application. This application actually we got this thought from one of the customers requirement in pharma segment. Based on the study, we were able to get those inputs from the customer. We also thank the customer giving us the insight of their business problem and sharing his business challenges, and we were able to successfully demonstrate the similar POC to the customer too. So currently now we will showcase the demo of digital material gate pass system. So first, when you log in, you will find the screen with two options. One is outward and inward, because gate pass is always inward and outward. So now I'll, because of the complex the more workflow visibility in outward process, we will opt for the outward process. So we once we click on the outward, so we'll get an option returnable and non-returnable. So I'll opt for the non-returnable. So for the demo purpose, what we have done is we have created two all the users in a one screen, but actually this application works on the role based. So first I'll as an initiator, I'll initiate the process. Once I log in, I can do an Active Directory integration also, which is in the roadmap. So I can, so I'll take a new form. So moment I log in, I get all the details. For the demo purpose, what we have created is department wise, because to showcase that process get changed moment you change the department, to showcase that the capability of the application. So the process will be more on a department role based and a department centric. So moment you change the department, the role the users also gets changed here. So then I'll click on the next. So I have added laptops, some desktops, and then images. Okay, so images in the attachment. Then I'll say next. So here I have an option to request for a approval. Kindly approve. So moment approve, it will go to my supervisor, and it also shows which through which the gate is going out. Because normally in any manufacturing or large workplace, you will have you will have multiple gates. So we created gate numbers also. So the interest of the customer. So once I submit, so I can always revalidate what the submission I am doing. If it is fine with me, then I can go ahead and click on submit button. Once I submit it, it automatically triggers an email notification, and then I go to the approval role. So I have two roles here. One is a supervisor and a HOD. So first I go to the supervisor and click on supervisor. Then I'll click on. So supervisor can view all the related content and before approving it, and automatically a timestamp when he's got this, what time he's approving it, it automatically triggers there. And with a comment, he can also hold and approve it or reject, hold it, or he can put it in pending. Okay, and he can give as an approved. Then submit. So moment I submit this thing, automatically the initiator will get a notification that supervisor approved, and it will go to the HOD. So once HOD logs in, he can view the content and he approves it. And submit. So this will go to the gate. By the time the material reaches, the security also gets instantly gets the pass. Moment the material reaches, the security can verify based on so the security can verify it, and he can hold it back or he can clear it based on if the material is correct, then he says verified and cleared, and he approves, then he clears the material. But we are also working based on the new requirement from the customer. We are also working a screen where the security also enters, then it gets validated with the initiator's quantity, then only it automatically approves. So currently we are working on that. So once the submit is done, so this is the product one process, but the all the other the processes are also similarly defined. So we have used a SharePoint as a backend list for the listing. So where you can monitor the data and using Microsoft List, then the flow for the then also the Power App for the front end. So we also deployed it on Teams as an app also. So this is how the product is ready for deployment, and we are also working on couple of cases to similar requirement. Look forward for the support from Microsoft. Thank you for your time.